I run an agency where we manage people's eBay accounts in a profit split of 50-50. This is one of the accounts we currently manage. As you can see, it has 25,000 listings nearly, about 1K in revenue each day. Most of our clients, we go to like 10,000 listings, and then we optimize with a different strategy than for this account. Then 4.6K is still difficult to reach, but we can get like to 3K a month for our clients for sure.
All right, what's up guys, Marc Augustine, and in this video we're going to go through an account that we manage at DS Pro Solutions. This account has sold $30,000 in the past 31 days, and Joran is going to go over what it takes to different this account, and you will learn a little bit about what we've done to get this account to this level. My name is Marc Augustine. I've been dropshipping on eBay since 2011, and with this channel we help you guys make money online. So Joran, you want to introduce yourself before we get into the video?
Yeah, hey, what's up everyone? My name is Joran. I'm founder of DS Pro Solution. I run an agency where we manage people's eBay accounts in a profit split of 50-50. This is one of the accounts we currently manage. As you can see, it has 25,000 listings nearly, currently 10 waiting to ship, about an average of, about 1K in revenue each day, which would be around 15 or 150 to 200 in profit per day, going closer to 150 a little bit on average. And we have proof of that. Not everything is actually here because we have an internal profit tracker and order tracker, which actually calculates it properly. Also takes care of returns, cancels, all that sort of stuff. This is just for our VA. And so, as you can see, it has 4.6K profit in the last 30 days, which would be 2.3 to our client and 2.3 to us. As you can see here, the listing views, the impressions, how many we get each day, which is like kind of wild, right? It's like 9 million impressions.
Yeah.
And about 32,000 listing views. Quantity sold is like, this is like 6 days, right? So this is actually not 1 day. So let's like do today, right? Or let's actually do 7 days. Then you get a better overview of what it actually is like. So here is 17 sales on Friday. Today is 8 so far. Day is still very long. Should get around 20. We're aiming for 20. What makes this account unique is because we can push this to 25,000 listings. Is because this account has very, very high limits to sell. Right, so it has many millions in limits, like 5 million probably, or 50 million. So we can basically list as many items as we want, and we're not limited by eBay. So a lot of our items are just pretty expensive. Our AOV is probably around $80.
Right. Yeah.
And the average order value is 80. So that's a higher profit for us, even though the margins are only maybe like 15% to 20. Perhaps we just make more money because it's higher. So this would not be possible for every single account. Most of our clients, we go to like 10,000 listings, and then we optimize with a different strategy than for this account. Then 4.6K is still difficult to reach, but we can get like to 3K a month for our clients for sure. Important thing is that because it's eBay and cash flow is important, so like our client, for example, this client, we have access to credit cards. So whenever if there's a hold or eBay takes longer to pay out because they want to see proof of delivery, it's not really an issue because the client is prepared, right?
Right. Yeah, because you don't want to be in a situation selling $30,000 a month and you have absolutely no cash on hand or credit.
Yeah, exactly. Credit is very important because you're kind of depending on the platform, and they can kind of limit your cash flow whenever they feel like it.
Right.
So then you would have to like wait a week before you get your money. And don't get me wrong, like if you have to wait a week for your money and you have a 1K revenue a day, and then which means if your profit margin is like 15 to 20%, which means you'll have to pay around 800 in orders each day, right?
Right.
Which like almost no one can just pay that out of their own pocket for a week straight. That's like a lot of money, right?
Yeah,
near
5K.
Yeah, just in a week. Then it goes really fast. So yeah, that's why it's just important to have access to credit. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this account. We've been running it for a while. Our client is very happy with us. We're happy with him. Yeah, that's just it, really.
Yeah, guys, and if you want to reach out about your account being managed, I'll put a link for you guys to apply. If you want to reach out for me to give you a free one-on-one at eBay dropshipping, I'll put a link to my calendar, guys. So check out the description, like the video, subscribe, comment, ask any questions. If you want any sort of tips on strategy, comment as well. Have a good one, guys.